A river making its way through the heart of Europe. A journey past landscapes like no other, revealing a wealth of natural treasures. But this is more than one of Europe's largest and oldest rivers. Steeped in ancient myths and legends, it's one of the most romantic of all waterways. For millennia, the mighty river has witnessed the cycles of life and death, and some dramatic changes along its banks. Somewhere high up in the Swiss Alps, a tiny glacial lake gives rise to a mighty river. The young Rhine winds its way through steep canyons, past the tiny alpine country of Liechtenstein, and into Lake Constance at the foot of the Alps, which provides drinking water to large parts of southern Germany. Fed by the waters of one of Europe's biggest lakes, the Rhine continues its turbulent journey, gaining in strength and volume. The 13th century Mouse Tower at Bingen in Germany marks the end of the Upper Rhine and the beginning of a landscape famous for its vineyards and medieval castles. As it reaches the city of Cologne, the river enters the final leg of its journey. Deep within Germany's industrial heartland, there are pockets of flooded forest that once covered much of the river basin. The lush green pastures along the lower reaches of the Rhine attract thousands of wild geese in the winter. Their calls fill the air in one of nature's great wildlife spectacles during the day. Other nocturnal creatures. The forests are The Finnish nests are so strong and warm, they were once used by local children as house shoes. South of the flooded forest, on the French side of the Rhine, the landscape is a very different one. The rolling hills are prime fruit and wine growing country, thanks to the fertile volcanic soil. The Kaiserstuhl Hills are known to be one of the warmest regions in